Hello, my dear friends. My name is Dr. Ruslana Borisenko. I welcome you on my channel, Dr. Rusi. By the way, who first time came to my channel, I will kindly ask you to sign up on my channel and put your finger on little bell, and this way you will always get my new videos. Today I am going to cook very refreshing and very fast and cheap appetizer or side dish what you can serve during this holiday season for your friends. Or this dish is going to be delicious and absolutely essential if you are sitting with your friends around the pool. We are living in Florida and now it's perfect time to spend some time around the pool. So today we are going to cook fresh pickled pickles. For this purpose we need just a few fresh pickles. We need garlic, dill, and piece of lemon. By the way, don't forget, we need salt. So let's start making this absolutely phenomenal side dish. Like I always promise to you, on this channel I am not only making dishes, but as well I'm explaining health benefits of every ingredients we are putting into our dishes. So starting with cucumbers. Cucumbers are phenomenal for those people who want to lose weight. The cucumbers are phenomenal for our skin, and we know women, we like to put couple pieces of cucumbers on our eyes when in the morning we have little puffiness. Cucumbers are very good for our kidneys because it has water, it has minerals, and it keeps up, and they are keeping up our pH balance. And cucumbers, by the way, very good for our detoxification of our body. So let's cut our cucumbers. For this dish, we need to simply cut our cucumbers this way. And by the way, this is not only very cheap dish, side dish, but as well you can eat it in a few hours after you preparing it. So if your guests are telling you we are going to be in your house in a few hours and you don't have nice side dish, this will be perfect to make it fast and effortless. Okay, we cut our pickles like this, and now we are going to add a few cloves of garlic. And by the way, garlic itself has a lot of medicinal and health properties. Now we are in a season where viruses and coronavirus is still there, so eating one clove of garlic will prevent you from getting very easily bacteria and viruses into your body because it has a lot of antibacterial properties. And by the way, garlic has a lot of sulfur, and sulfur we need for production in our body chemical which calls glutathione, which helps detox our liver. So let's add some garlic into our cukes. Don't be afraid, add garlic because it will make more spicy and more delicious your side dish. Now we are going to add dill to our cucumbers. By the way, dill itself has a lot of health properties for your digestive system. It can help with your gas relief. It can help when you have diarrhea. It helps when you have indigestion. And by the way, in Ukraine, mamas make dill water for little babies who just born and have stomach issues. And dill, by the way, is very good for your health aids because it has a lot of vitamins B and magnesium. So when we add garlic to our cucumbers, now we are adding dill because dill can freshen up your breath. Next, what we are going to add to our cucumbers, it's lemon. Just half of lemon will be enough for this kind of purpose. Everybody knows health benefits of lemon. Lemon has a lot of vitamin C, which has very high antioxidant properties, and antioxidants fight for free radicals. So adding lemon, just like this. Like I said, half of the lemon will be absolutely enough. Perfect. Now we will add salt and we are done. Well, like most of us know, I like to use pink salt. Pink salt, besides sodium chloride, has 96 different minerals, which helps with our detoxification, helps with our nerve tissue, helps to properly digest our food. So I highly recommend to start using pink salt. We are salting. By the way, don't be afraid to add quite a bit of this salt because, like I said, besides sodium chloride, it has other minerals and you won't harm your health. Okay, now we can mix all ingredients together. We can put it in the refrigerator for a few hours and your delicious, delicious side dish, vegetarian, fresh, non-cooked side dish will be ready. And I promise to you, you will get a lot of compliments of this food. And always remember Ukrainian doctor who cooks for your health. We mix together our cucumbers with other ingredients, and if in a few short hours, they will be ready to be served. Now I'm going to try it as is, and I will tell you how it tastes. Honestly, I would add a little bit more salt. Like I said before, don't be afraid to add salt because cucumbers will pick this salt and it won't be so salty. So I think our dish is ready. In a few hours, it will be served to my guests. For today, I will wish you happy holidays and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.